ఇండియన్ ఓవర్సీస్ కాంగ్రెస్ ఆఫ్ యుఎస్ఏ న్యూజెర్సీ చాప్టర్లో మీట్ అండ్ గ్రీట్ జరిగింది. ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి ఇండియా నుండి ప్రముఖ జర్నలిస్టులు హాజరై వివిధ అంశాలపై స్పందించారు.
पीटर कोठारी जी एंड ऑल्सो नोन एज प्रदीप कोठारी जी, सर अभी यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है इन रॉयल अल्बर्ट पैलेस में?
Well, we are gathered here to welcome our senior visiting delegation of journalists from India, and we have a event here to talk about many issues people of India facing currently, such as secularism, such as safety of a democratic system. Our forefather leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Pandit Nehruji have fought very hard to give us this opportunity of a secularism and a democracy. We never want to miss and we never want to lose.
For this Indian National Overseas Congress meeting happening in New Jersey, even the member of parliament from India is coming right from India to here, and let's listen from him his contribution. And sir, अभी प्रवास भारतीयों का contribution कैसा चल रहा है, and what do you think needs to be changed here?
I'm here on a different mission. We are part of a parliamentary delegation to the United Nations. In fact, I had a chance to speak also 2 days back on rule of law. And the most important thing is that we feel that United Nations and Security Council has to be strengthened. It has to be reformed. But it has not lost its relevance. That's a wrong assumption. And we have to reform it, strengthen it. Number two, we were also in the Indian consulate yesterday. We met the Indian diaspora. I spoke to the diaspora also. And I feel this diaspora is doing wonderfully well. They have become trailblazers for our people back in India. The kind of achievements they have got globally is given as an example for children to become one. So I'm actually grateful to the diaspora that you have contributed so much to your country. Keep doing that. And of course, the country of origin will never leave you, but the country where you are, which is your now karma movie, that is US, you have to be loyal to that country, work hard in that country, amalgamate well with the people of that country, and make us feel proud.
Amazing. And other than coexistence and cooperating, and mainly GDP contribution, NRS का बहुत ज़्यादा है. So what are the other contributions you think which are lacking and should be inculcated?
There's nothing lacking. In fact, wherever I go in the world, the buzzword is the Indians are doing the best. First of all, our boys, our children are very hardworking. They come from conditions where to achieve, they have to work, excel. They have to actually excel. And that those middle class children, upper middle class children, when they come out and work in new countries, they achieve such high positions because of the dint of dedication and hard work that they're making India proud. So I'm actually proud of my diaspora, my NRIs, people who've settled from India, who've settled all over the world.
मैं ज्ञानेश हूं और हम लोग यहाँ पे गांधी जयंती के मौके पर एक वॉशिंगटन डीसी में कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए आए थे और आज हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा. हमें न्यू जर्सी में हमें इनवाइट किया इंडियन ओवरसीज कांग्रेस ऑफ द यूएसए ने और न्यू जर्सी चैप्टर ने, और हमने आके जो यहाँ देखा कि यहाँ पे लोग थोड़ा कंसर्न हैं, तो अच्छी बात लगी हमें यहाँ पे आकर के कि लोग इतना चिंतित हैं, इतना कंसर्न हैं और लोग अपने देश की चिंता कर रहे हैं. हमें लगता था कि शायद यूएस में वो लोग शिफ्ट हो गए, सेटल हो गए, तो उन्हें भारत की क्या चिंता होगी, लेकिन हमें वाकई बहुत ही अच्छा लगा कि कम से कम लोग अभी भी अपने देश के बारे में सोच रहे हैं. और मतलब आई एम रियली ग्लैड यहाँ पे कि इतना अच्छा प्यार मोहब्बत मिला हम लोगों को. बाकी बहुत सारे सीनियर जर्नलिस्ट थे, आपने देखा, और उम्मीद है कि हम लोग ये रिश्ता बनाए रखेंगे और भारत के लिए आपकी जो चिंता है यहाँ के अमेरिकी भारतीय समुदाय की, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
I'm a cultural secretary of Indian Overseas Congress. My name is Pampur Sheikh. I'm so happy to speak to your channel, Novan. You're wonderful and you're so patient with everyone. I really appreciate you coming here. And today we had Asif Khan and Karamat Khan. They were playing ghazals with us on live music, and I think It was a beautiful experience because we don't get to see it every day, and our audience really appreciated it. So we were really mesmerized, and all the wonderful journalists here. It was lovely to listen to them because we don't get to hear these kind of perspectives and opinions in our Indian diaspora, and everybody I think really appreciated.
Democracy is something which is we are proud of, and we are also proud of that we are the largest democracy which is working in India with about a billion voters. I'm not talking of the population, about a billion voters. Whenever we people felt that there is a democracy is in danger, loktantra khatre mein hai, the common voter of India has proven that his wisdom and his commitment to democracy is much more than any other people of the country. जो आम आदमी जो गरीब है, जो गांव में रहता है, जिसके पास पूरा नहीं है, उस वोट के राइट को ही हैज ऑलवेज यूज्ड इट एंड ऑलवेज एज अ लीश. इंडिया और यूएस के रिलेशनशिप में इस समय थोड़ी दिक्कत है. सो वी आर ऑल्सो ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड कि वेयर इज द प्रॉब्लम. वी आर ऑल्सो ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट.
Amazing, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.